Hey guys, it's Ashley from Not a True Reviews, and today we're unboxing Culture Carton. So if you're not familiar with my other unboxings, which I do this box very often, this is a monthly men's subscription box. They do offer a box that has one essential book, or a book that they feel like every library should have, as well as a bunch of curated lifestyle items. Psst, 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 get out of my plant. Oh my God, always is in my plant trying to eat it. So that box is $45 plus shipping. They do have the option to just go with the lifestyle items for $35 plus shipping, or just the book for $16. I don't know what the theme of this one is. This is the June box, I believe. Let's just see. The desktop box. So this is, ooh, they have a store now. I didn't know that. You can save 20% on store purchase with code. Oh, there's this special. That's only for subscribers. Anyway, so this is the desktop box. So this is going to be a great addition to your deskscape area. Don't know what's in here, but we don't find out. All right, your purchase makes a difference. The air plant shop. Oh, does that mean there's an air plant in here? Ooh, there is. Oh no! Look. I let it go too long. I didn't know it was in there. It's a Tillandsia. Oh, no, it's not. Abdita brachycalis. Maybe it's supposed to be darker than mine. It's a little dark. So anyway, there's that. That's $6. That's from the air plant shop. They donate $1 from every order to the international nonprofit Pencils of Promise, as they build schools, offer training programs, and educate students about health and sanitation. I did not know there was a plant in there. All right, so next we're going to see the book for the month. This is James Joyce, A Portrait of the Artist as a Young Man. So James Joyce is one of those guys who is on like the thousands of books to read before you die. Finnegan's Wake, Ulysses. Did he write Ulysses? I believe he did. It's a retelling of the Odyssey. Homer's Odyssey, the Odyssey, I believe, right? Am I right or am I wrong? I don't know. And this is one of those books that has the really cool, like, different cover with the rugged pages. It's a Penguin Classic Deluxe edition. So this is the Centennial edition with a foreword by Carl Ove Knausgaard. I've never read this. I actually think I may have it, but I might not. I don't know, but I do love that cover. Really nice addition to your library. All right, next we have Opinel, Savoir France, Walnut number 8. Number 8. Is it a knife? Oh, it's a pocket knife. Oh, wow. So it's made with walnut wood. It's a pocket knife. Oh, how gorgeous is this? Oh, my husband's going to love this. Look. I'm kind of scared. Not scare me, but look at the handle. How pretty. What's the retail price of this? $20 for this. There's that. Ooh, that's beautiful. I like that a lot. And the book is $17, just so you guys know. All right, so here we have, these are some Baron von Fig Infinity limited edition notebooks. There are 3 in this set. They're bound with purple thread. They have like this purple theme to them. These are $12. Those are really pretty. All right. Finally, here we have something from Kiko, who is my favorite. We get a lot of leather goods from them, especially my Culture Carton boxes. Everything is amazing. So this is, let's see. What is it? Oh, it's a mouse pad. How cool is that? You wouldn't even know it either. It's leather. So this is $28. If you had bought it on their website or something, and it smells like leather. Oh, it smells so good. So that's everything that I received in my box. I'm sorry, because I have the queue of boxes, I don't always get to boxes like when you would get it at your door and open it up. Mine take a week, sometimes a little longer. And so the plant, I feel it. I'm so sorry, plant is so much fault. I'm so sorry. But this is an amazing box. If you know a man that likes to read or likes just to have nice items and really does appreciate that aesthetic, this is a great subscription. I do love it. If you're interested in the full review, I'm going to link to that below. If you're interested in checking out Culture Carton, you can also I'll link to them as well. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.